Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Stalker 2 not launching or running on Steam, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is before you open up Steam, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go over to library, look for Stalker 2. I don't have it downloaded right now, but once you find it, right click on it, hit properties, go over to installed files, and then go ahead and click on verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that if there are any corrupt or missing files, this will basically just fix that issue. You can go ahead and either close Steam and then open it back up while running it as administrator, and then you can go ahead and start up Stalker 2. Or what you can do is simply just restart your PC and then do the same thing. And once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go. Another method you guys can try doing is simply just restarting your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then check to see if that fixes the issue. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.